children are home. Happy together as one family, all in a world of their
You
own.
missed. Oh, you missed too.
Ever so gentle.
You got me.
Perfect hits.
Hello.
It's the Butterfly Children. Introductions, please. Martini.
This is PV, the head chef, and I am Martini, the apprentice chef. Right.
Today, we are going to make a pizza, which is going to be a butterfly pizza, like one of these up here. And we're going to show you how to do it, and it's all the stuff that you need. It's printed on our website. But before we start, what do we always do before we start?
We wash our hands.
We wash our hands.
Come on.
Over here to the sink.
We have to wash the hands.
You have to wash them for a certain amount of time, so the easiest way is to sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday Martini, happy birthday to you. Okay, baby?
Right.
Okay, well done.
Very good.
Right, we will start by getting the dough ready, so the dough will be rising while we're talking. So we will start with that, and then we'll come back to what we're doing in the end, okay? So we start.
Deep in the woods in a harmony tree, the butterfly children are home. Happy together as one family, all in a world of their own. Ever so gentle and ever so small, love is the joy they bring. Just close your eyes and wish on a star, listen and you'll hear them sing. Butterfly children, love everyone.
Okay. You ready? Okay, so we're going to peel that egg. You peel eggs. To peel an egg, you give it a good crack like that, and that cracks it, and then you just peel it. So give that a good crack, and then we'll put them in the banjo.
Oh,
Peel it
well,
off.
I think we got a cracked egg, all right, but it's not a cooked cracked egg. So,
Let's try this one.
well, let's try one we done earlier, as they say. Well, let's see what happens with this one. A bit more promising, this one. Bit more promising. And what happened with that one, Peter?
I don't know. It's a mystery to me.
That's who it was. It was the moth.
It's the moth gang did that.
Yes,
Slipped a real egg in there.
absolutely.
Right, so we clear this all away. Okay, we'll get through that in a minute. There's your banjo.
Right.
Other way around. Got to lift it up first, yeah?
Deep in the woods in a harmony tree, the butterfly children are home. Happy together as one family, all in a world of their own. Ever so gentle and ever so small, love is the joy they bring. Just close your eyes and wish on a star, listen and you'll hear them sing.
Yes.
He's red
Good one.
faced.
Certainly with all of those moth gang around, they're likely to unscrew the top. That's it. I like it. That's it. Don't be afraid to put plenty on.
Just a couple of big spoonfuls, and then you just smear it out.
That's it. Try and keep them even so that the
Yeah.
butterflies are always even on both sides. We all know that.
A bit more over there,
I think
then.
you've got to put a bit more over there now.
Right.
Right, okay.
Now,
Now, Matt?
so the next thing is we want the egg.
Yeah, we know where the eggs go. You need
Yes,
this.
we know
Let's
where
help
the
you
eggs
pick up
go.
the eggs.
So
Slide that under
if
the
we
egg.
look at our map, there's one over there, one here, so that's one either side.
Okay.
One either side of there, and one over there.
Cool.
That's good, huh?
I'm loving it.
Now, we got, very simple, we got his tail there to come in.
That's it.
Deep in the woods in a harmony tree.
This is artistic beyond measure.
Yep, so you just sprinkle that on nice and easy like that.
Yeah.
Let it fall just where it wants to fall, doesn't matter.
That's it.
And because that's a little bit of the decoration of, like, if you look at their wings and whatnot, it's the little bit of decoration there.
Right,
Good.
now what we need to do now, we need some olive oil.
Yeah, there we
That's
go.
it. Good stuff, good stuff.
Right.
We are now going to get ready to actually cook this pizza. So to make it easily go on the plate, we need to cut the excess bits of paper off around here. And just cut along here and just round there, across there and down there and in there. Lucky there were plastic scissors.
Lucky they were plastic, Phoebe. Ah, here we go.
That's
There
it.
he is.
The man's a genius.
Look at that. There you
Right. Okay. Now this is where we're going to do the dangerous part now, so we have to be very careful. Clear the decks, okay? Put your lovely gloves on. Put this up over here. Ready for later on. Okay. This is very hot, okay?
go. It certainly is.
Very hot, okay?
Very hot.
Now we need very carefully to slide this onto here, which is made a lot easier with the paper. That's it. Put it from the start. That's it. That's it. Yeah, look at that. Do we need to attenuate anything? No, I think that was pretty perfect. I think we're ready to go. So we open the oven, put this in the top of the oven for 12 of your Earth minutes.
Right. In
12
it
minutes.
goes, people. In it goes. And there she goes.
Okay, so now we wait for 12 minutes on our timer.
What are we going to do for 12 minutes?
Who knows? I think I will get an appetite because I'm jolly hungry.
I'm starving.
So I'm going to pop down the road and get an appetite.
Ah,
Martini.
time's up, PV.
12 minutes is up and the cooking is done.
Well, let's have a
Yeah,
look.
check him out. Oh,
Whoa.
whoa, look at this. That is one pro looking pizza.
Now that looks a bit good, PV.
Okay, can we just slide it off now with your demon gloves onto there? That's it. That's it. We can put this back in the oven out of danger's way.
Ah.
Now then, I'm going to take a picture of that. Okay,
Yep, take a picture. Stick it in the family.
got it? Okay.
Yep, I
Now
think I'll do
you
the
take a
same.
picture too. And we shall send that to the butterfly children.
Yep, we'll send that to the butterfly children to DC.
Yeah. Okay, so what
Now.
we'll do now is we're going to let this cool down, put it on a plate, and we're going to do the dangerous part, which is eating it. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, well I think that's cooled down enough now. So I think it's enough for us to get busy and see just how much.
How
we would
good it
like.
tastes.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat the east wing. East wing. There we go. Okay, you can have that bit, being as you're the chef.
Oh.
Okay, and
Wow.
I'll have the bottom half of his wing.
Eat your heart out.
Yes.
Moth gang.
Has it gone green?
Mmm.
It's all right.
Mmm.
Oh, fantastic.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Well, that's it. That's how you make the pizza.
Right. Thank you
So,
very much for looking in.
Don't forget to send your pizza in.
Yeah.
Because we want to see what you do. That's the basis of how you start it. You've got all these characters to copy. You've got Laura, Rudy, Teresa, Pete, Chrissy, Ozzy, Morpho, DC, Red,
Cuckoo,
Mitio.
yeah,
You've got
yeah,
all
yeah.
these people to copy,
Thousands
along
of
with, may I say, the Moth Gang. If you want to do one of the Moth Gang. But
No.
you've got all these to copy, so send them in. Let's have a look at what you're doing and create your own one. Let's see
Exactly.
what else you got.
Original pizzas. We love
Original.
them. Bye bye, butterfly children. We will see
Bye,
you later.
children. Okay, here we go. Here we
My
go.
go.
Okay, it's your go. Oh, that was a bit. That's a good one.
In the woods in a harmony tree, the butterfly children are home. Happy together as one family, all in a world of their own. Ever so gentle and ever so small.